Smuggling operations in South Texas frequently involve high-speed chases,
Bail out, we have bodies.
vehicle crashes, and life-threatening situations that endanger both migrants and the public. On February 8, 2024, a suspected human smuggler led Texas DPS Troopers on a wild high-speed pursuit in Webb County.
It's going to turn. It's about to turn to the left. It's about 1050. It's just 1050. Just 1050. Enjoy FedEx.
Car camera video captures the moment the suspect struck the FedEx truck with such force from behind that it overturned it.
We just turned west. Vehicle's coming to a stop. It's about to bail out.
He was eventually captured and now faces charges of evading arrest and smuggling of persons.
No se muevan.
7 undocumented migrants were referred to the U.S. Border Patrol. This case highlights the severe risks involved in human smuggling, where smugglers' reckless actions endanger lives.